This braid has been one of my most requested tutorials for years. I've had countless people ask me how to do this braid. My clients are always obsessed with this braid. They say pretty girls don't gatekeep, and since I'm fine as fuck, I'm gonna show you how to do this tutorial. This is what I like to call the puffed butterfly braid, but in all actuality, it's much simpler than you think. I'm gonna show you how to do it two ways. First, we're gonna start off with a big ponytail section, and then we're gonna split the ponytail section down the middle so we can create two halves. Once we have two halves, we're going to do a regular fishtail braid. A fishtail braid consists of taking small sections from the side halves and crossing them over to the other half. To break it down for you, take a small piece from the side that you're going to be crossing over. Cross the small piece over to the other side. Then incorporate that hair into the larger half. You should only have two halves in your hand the entire time. The section you're crossing over will become part of the larger portion in your other hand. Once you've braided down a couple lengths, band off your fishtail with a rubber band. Now comes the magic. We're going to start puffing the fishtail by pulling the linked sections of the braid. When you rubber band your fishtail, make sure to make it loose so you can have freedom to pull the fishtail and puff it out. And there you have it. That's the puffed butterfly braid. I'll show you again on this larger portion in double time. Watch my fingers closely to follow the pattern. Now I'm going to demonstrate what a puffed butterfly braid looks like on a smaller section. Follow the same exact steps from the bigger ponytail. The only thing that changes here is the section size. Make sure to puff the fishtail. Even though it's a smaller section, do not be afraid to pull the links of the fishtail. And now you can make a beautiful puffed butterfly braid in two sizes. Don't say I didn't teach you anything.